Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to free up your iPhone iCloud storage. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily clear your iCloud storage. First of all, you have to go to a browser and type iCloud.com. And now you have to sign into your iCloud account using your Apple ID. Once you are in your iCloud account homepage, click on Photos. And here you will find all of your photos and videos you've uploaded in your iCloud account. Now from here you have to delete unnecessary photos and videos. So tap on Select and select those videos and photos you don't need. Then tap on this delete icon at the bottom right and just delete them from your iCloud account. Once you successfully deleted these photos and videos, also you have to delete them from your recycle bin or recently deleted folder. To do that, tap on this icon at the top left corner. And here tap on recently deleted and you will directly jump into your iCloud recently deleted folder. Now just tap on select and tap on delete all to delete everything from recently deleted folder to free up your iCloud storage. And once you successfully deleted, now follow the second steps. Go to your Notes app and tap on Notes. Tap on Folder at the top left and here tap on iCloud and now tap on Notes and here you will find all of your iCloud notes. Also from here you have to delete unnecessary notes and then tap on Folder. Also tap on recently deleted folder. And from here you have to delete unnecessary notes to free up your iCloud storage. And then follow the third steps. Go to your iPhone settings and here tap on your Apple ID or your name. Tap on iCloud. Now tap on Manage Account Storage. And here tap on Backups. And here under Backups, you will find all of your iPhone backups. All you have to delete old backups from here. So go ahead and tap on old backups one by one and just tap on Turn off and delete from iCloud. That's how you will be able to clear a big size from your iCloud storage. Once done, again come to this Apple ID section, again tap on iCloud, tap on Manage Account Storage. You have to tap on app using iCloud, tap on See All, and now you have to turn off app backup for iCloud. So for example, I want to turn off Safari backup. So I'm going to disable this option and also you can select any option from here, keep on my iPhone, or you can select delete from my iPhone. That's how you have to disable app backup for iCloud. And after following all of these solutions, now you can also turn off iCloud backup. So go to your Apple ID again and tap on iCloud, tap on Photos, and now all you have to disable Sync this iPhone option. And now on, whenever you capture a new photo or new video using your iPhone, those photos and videos won't be uploaded in your iCloud account. So follow these easy steps carefully to free up your iPhone iCloud storage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.